What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today we're finally working on the BMW again. Conrad is here, working on his car. What are you doing?
Gluing. She need more glue.
I got a package in the mail, and this is gonna be an awesome project. Now, for the people who notice this is a grill of a Chaser JCX 100, and I want to fit this on my BMW because this thing is a little wannabe Chaser. So to piss off the purists, I want to take this grill out, the kidneys, and replace it with a Chaser grill. It's a little bit weird, but sometimes you have to be, I don't know, setting the bar. So what I did, I got another front kidney holder, basically cut out the middle, and I was already working on it a little bit. I made a little template of the inlay that it had to be, cut that out, so now I can fit the grill in. But we ran into one little issue. So I've put the grill in with some zip ties, and now the issue is that the curve of the grill and the curve of the original one is kind of perfect, but then you get to the end and it sticks out a little bit. And I was like, you know what? Let's send it. What is there to lose? It's all custom. So I got like a heat gun, and because it's all plastic, I heated it up and wrapped it around the corner. Now it's a little bit kinked here, but I want to heat it up and press it into shape because when it's warm, it works. The paint is a bit shit because that just all crackled and shit, but underneath that is just plastic, so I can sand basically the paint off and then redo it in a different color, or maybe the same shade or style of color. But yeah, I had to sacrifice something. So I think this corner still needs to be pushed in. I focused on the top corner first, but that's not too bad. So all there is to do now is heat it up here, so we can push this side in. Then do the same trick on the other side, because as you can see, this is way off still. When that is done, you can start sanding, and I'll pick the camera back up. So here is sort of the finished product, I've made the corners work. It's a little bit looking weird because this is sort of a aluminium sort of material that you can, as you can see, peel off. And then there's just plastic underneath, which I can sand and paint. But this stuff, unfortunately, has to come off. Now this looked easy what I just peeled off, but it's not that easy. There you go. So now that it's into shape, I can start peeling it off, sanding and peeling it off. This side looks worse, but this needs to be pulled up a little bit. Yeah, it needs to be sitting there. Anyway, fitment is something else, because that's when it's been mounted on, because now it's just zip ties holding it on. I need to figure out a way to make it work here at the back. I think I would just glue it in, but before I fully put it in, I need to wrap this front piece first, and also this, it needs to be cleaned up, and I can put the logo back in the middle. But for now it looks a little bit weird because I painted white around, because I just had the template, I laid that on and I just sprayed a little bit of white, so I exactly saw the size of the template that I needed. But other than that, I'm happy with this. I'm happy that it was as flexible, and I'm a little bit bummed that it's not just paint, but it's a little bit of weird chrome material. But I'm happy that we made these corners work. and all this fitment. So now we can basically make it nice and clean and throw it on the car, because that, wow, into the light, and there's something on the lens. That's a little better, because this front needs to change, but it is almost 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna head home, have some dinner, probably sand that in the upcoming days, working out a little bit, and then I'll pick the camera back up when I have some progress done. Damn it, didn't work. But since we now are months later in the process, this is my mate Jesse's car. Since we're now months later in the process, this project kind of got hung up, and I didn't do anything with it. I had other things to do, shows to run, and I was like, yep, I need to get back at this and go for it. So the front is here, it's wrapped, it's orange, the grille, I shaved it down a lot, made it clean, used a little bit of Bondo to make it cleaner, and now it sits in here basically like a champ. There's little holes or things here, a little hole here and a thing here, and I made little brackets here on the outsides and here on the top side, where I can just bolt in the grille so it's removable and easy. So now all we need to do is take the old one off. So bumper, and then underneath there in the fender behind the headlights, I think I might even be able to leave the headlights in, but we'll see. Just start stripping down and smack that one on. So it is on, but we want the full reveal, so we need to put the bumper on and the bonnet closed, because damn, it already looks so sick, but it needs that's why I'm not having the bonnet down, the bumper on. Steps. I'm just enjoying this little process, and like my mate was saying just right here, like it doesn't look like very cheaply done, or like it looks somewhat factory. That's what was the look that I was looking for. So let's put the bumper on. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. JZX 100 grille on an E36. I'm loving it. But wait, there's one more thing to make it complete. That really does it. But now I'm seeing two logos and that kind of clashes, so we need to take the old one off, I think, unfortunately. But then I need to cut and weld the bonnet, and I don't know actually if I put the logo in now, because now it has two logos. I might just take the logo out and then only put it in as soon as the BMW one gets taken out, because this is a double logo. This is weird. Do you think?
No, not really.
Not?
No, if you had like a 80 Suzuki, you would have a logo in the grille and one on the bonnet as well.
Eh. But still, I think it's a cool logo.
Yeah, and at least it doesn't say Toyota on it, so it's
true.
Kind of neutral.
Nice. So let's break the internet with this thing, because I know a lot of the BMW purists are gonna hate it. JDM people are gonna be like, why don't you just buy a JDM car? Well, I don't know, I like doing weird stuff, and this is definitely one of them. I'm loving the look. I hope you do as well. So if you like content like this, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this mod. Should I keep it? Should I convert it back to the original one? And also there's a Discord link in the description down below. We have a nice car community there. Feel free to join in and maybe see you there.
Peace.